In 2007, a weapons test created a disaster that almost traps humanity on Earth forever. A military missile struck an orbiting satellite, creating tens of thousands of high-speed fragments, each one traveling fast enough to obliterate anything it hits. This triggered what scientists call the Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction where every collision creates more debris, making the next collision even more likely, until space becomes an impenetrable shell of destruction that we just can't fly through. NASA's solution? Hunt down the biggest threats first, such as dead satellites and discarded rocket bodies. They're designing spacecraft that can chase these objects down, grab them, and slow them just enough for the Earth's gravity to drag them back into the atmosphere where they incinerate. But there's a problem. Fragments between 1 and 10 centimeters. They're too small to easily track, but powerful enough to punch through spacecraft. Scientists proposed giant nets and clouds of tungsten dust to sweep them up, but both ideas were either impossibly expensive or dangerously unpredictable. So now they're turning to lasers. The plan? A radar system that locks onto each fragment as it races overhead at 17,000 miles an hour. A ground-based laser fires a split-second pulse that vaporizes a microscopic layer of debris on the surface. That creates a tiny burst of gas, like a thruster, nudging it just enough to pull it lower until it burns up in the atmosphere. The physics works, the technology exists, but without billions in funding, we're watching in slow motion as humanity's gateway to space closes piece by piece, one collision at a time.